Geranium essential oil, distilled from the Pelargonium graveolens plant, emerges as a versatile elixir with a spectrum of health benefits. Revered for its harmonizing influence on hormones, geranium oil aids in managing menstrual and menopausal symptoms. With anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, geranium oil contributes to immune support, wound healing, and overall wellness. Beyond its physical benefits, the oil's calming aroma brings stress relief and mental well-being. Geranium oil stands as a natural deodorant, pain reliever, and insect repellent, showcasing its diverse applications, while offering potential cardiovascular and respiratory support. Here are 10 potential advantages of incorporating geranium essential oil into your health and wellness routine. Balancing hormones. Geranium oil is believed to help balance hormones, making it beneficial for managing symptoms associated with menstruation and menopause. Skin care. Applied topically, after dilution, geranium oil promotes skin health by helping to balance oil production, reduce acne, and rejuvenate the skin. Stress reduction. Geranium oil has a calming and uplifting aroma, making it effective in reducing stress, anxiety, and promoting overall mental well-being. Wound healing. Applied topically, geranium oil may aid in wound healing by promoting cell regeneration and reducing the appearance of scars. Deodorant. With its pleasant scent and antibacterial properties, geranium oil can be used as a natural deodorant, combating body odor. Blood pressure regulation. Some studies suggest that geranium oil may help regulate blood pressure, contributing to cardiovascular health. Pain relief. Geranium oil's analgesic properties may provide relief from various types of pain, including muscle aches and headaches. Insect repellent. The aroma of geranium oil acts as a natural insect repellent, helping to keep mosquitoes and other insects at bay. Anti-anxiety. Beyond stress reduction, geranium oil has potential anti-anxiety effects, contributing to a calm and relaxed state of mind. Liver health. Geranium oil is believed to support liver health by promoting detoxification processes within the body. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.